Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a roof-mounted AC unit with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's start with a 6x6 plate for the base. Place a pair of 2x4 plates right in the center. Take a 2x4 flat tile. I'm going to place a 1x4 plate along one side of the flat tile and place this on the left-hand side. And a 2x2 modified plate with two studs. I'm going to set a 1x2 plate right underneath where the studs are on the top portion of the plate. Set this one on the right hand side. Then I'm going to proceed on right here with a 1x2 flat tile and a set of 1x4 flat tiles in these two areas. I want to focus my attention in this area. I'm going to take a 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 4 studs. Place a set of 1x2 jumper plates where they're vertical. Next, a 1x2 rounded plate. We want the hollow studs so we can slip in a set of taps right inside. Now you don't want to press those in all the way. Now the reason being is we're going to need to attach this here and set our brick in this area. So you may have to adjust this a little bit. The reason why we're starting with this first, because this usually is the tough part to get in there. Got to start with the hard stuff first. And on this side here, another 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 4 studs. Place a 2x2 plate right on the top and a set of 1x2 radiator grills right on the studs. We'll set this one right here. Then we're going to proceed on with the back portion with a set of 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 4 studs and another set right here. Set a pair of 1x1 bricks right on top of one another. We're going to make 4 of these and place these in the 4 corners. Got to have some supports for the air conditioning unit. Now we're going to slide this off to the side. Take a 2x4 plate. Place a set of 1x2 radiator grills where they are vertical. We're going to need to make 2 of these. And we're going to place these on these 2 sides. Now for our front ducting, we're going to take a 2x4 plate, stack a set of 1x4 plates right on top of one another, then a pair of 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. If you have the 1x4 version, that'll also work as well. But this is all I have, so this will work just fine. And we're going to smooth tile this off here with a 1x4 flat tile. We're just going to slide this right in here. Now we're going to lock all this together with a 6x6 plate. I'm going to set a 1x6 flat tile along the right hand side and some of these 2x2 turntable bases. So if you got a couple of these that don't have the turntables on there, they make great ventilation for top of the air conditioning unit. And then we're going to finish everything up with a 1x6 and a pair of 1x4 flat tiles to complete the roof-mounted air conditioner unit.